Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today in this video we will do cash basis of accounting. In this cash basis of accounting only cash transactions are involved, not our credit transactions. Cash sales, which is a revenue for the business, it is recorded in cash basis, but if there is a credit sale, it is also a revenue, but it is not recorded in cash basis of accounting. Likewise, cash purchase is an expense. It is recorded in cash basis, but cash credit purchase is not recorded in cash basis. Next concept is accrual concept. This concept says that both credit as well as cash transactions are recorded, but only of the current year, not of next year. If we say that received cash in advance, it is not recorded in accrual basis of accounting, but in cash basis it can be recorded. So only cash and credit transactions are recorded in accrual basis, and recording of the current year transactions only. It records the transactions which is done, whether the cash is received or not. It records expenses, whether it is paid up or not. It is not related to cash, but it is related to current year. And if we talk about cash basis, it is related to cash only, whether the cash is received in advance or cash is paid in advance. So now we are moving to an example. Firstly, cash purchase, it is a revenue, it is an expense, and it is recorded in both cash and accrual basis. Cash sales, it is also revenue, and it is recorded in cash and accrual basis. Now next is credit purchase. Credit purchase is an expense, but it is not recorded in cash. It is recorded in accrual concept. It is if it is done in the current year. Next is credit sales. Credit sales is an revenue, but it is not recorded in cash because cash has not been received, and it is also recorded for the current year. Income received. Income is a revenue, and if it is received in cash, it is recorded in cash and accrual both basis. Income received in advance, it is the income which is received in advance, means income of next year is also received, so it is recorded in cash basis but not recorded in the accrual basis. Next, income due but not yet received, means income has been earned by us but not yet received, so cash is not received, so it is recorded in accrual concept. Next is expenses paid. It is paid in cash, so it is recorded in cash concept and accrual concept both. नेक्स्ट एक्सपेंसेस पेड इन एडवांस वाली ट्रांजैक्शंस एक्रूअल कंसेप्ट में कभी भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं होती, बट एक्सपेंस पे कर दिए तो कैश हमसे चला गया तो कैश में रिकॉर्ड ज़रूर की जाएंगी, बट नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन एक्रूअल कंसेप्ट. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सपेंसेस नॉट येट पेड. एक्सपेंसेस are incurred but not yet paid, so it is recorded in accrual concept only because cash is not given to anyone, so it is not recorded in cash basis. Next is salary outstanding. Outstanding salary is recorded in accrual concept because it is not paid, so it is not recorded in cash. Salary paid is recorded in cash and accrual both because cash is paid. Rent paid for 11 months, it is recorded in both cash as well as accrual, but there is a case in that we will do it in after completing this. Insurance expenses paid, cash as well as accrual both. Income received in advance, the transactions which are related to advance are not recorded in accrual concept, but income is received, so cash is received, so it is recorded in cash basis of accounting. Income earned but not received, income is earned but not yet received, so it is recorded in accrual concept. Because cash has not been received yet, income received, income has been received, so it is recorded in both cash as well as accrual concept. Now we talk about a point which is left yet, rent paid for 11th months. If we talk about rent paid for 11 months, it is an expense and it is recorded in both cash as well as accrual basis. But there is a difference between the recording in cash as well as accrual basis. In cash basis, rent let the rent is paid for 11 months is 6600 rupees. If it is recorded in cash basis, 6600 is recorded because cash basis includes only and only cash transactions, not our credit transactions. But in the accrual basis, the transactions which are related to current year are recorded, so we will add 6600 rent for 11 months, but with that we have to record rent for 1 month, which we have to calculate by dividing 6600 by 11, which will get 600. So means rent of 1 month is 600 and we have to record 6600 plus 600 by giving the entry in expenses account that we will give the entry in expenses side in accrual concept that rent paid for 11th months, which is 6600, and rent outstanding, which is rupees 600. Same as in the case of income received in advance, which is not recorded, but in cash it is recorded. So I hope guys you could understand what is the difference between cash basis and accrual basis. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel, and if you have any type of query you can ask in the comment section. I will surely reply